So we've got the outer door handle installed. Looks kind of like that. As I said in the previous video, you have to install the handle into the outer escutcheon here when it's pointed straight down. Otherwise, it won't work. So now we are going to rotate this around and stick it straight in the door. Come on, buddy. Get in there. There we go. Ta-da! The outer handle has been installed. Now the interior handle is going to be this escutcheon. You know it's the inside because it has a button right here. The button always goes on the interior. So we're going to open the door, and this little pokey thing there is going to go in the hole right here that says up. Andersen makes one model handle for all of their doors. So that's how this is ultimately going to go. First off, we have to install the door handle. So again, this handle has to be installed with the handle down so it fits the holes properly and goes like that. Now, stick this on and come on, you. There we go. Squeezing it together, and this handle set is practically installed. Now we're going to take the two long round-headed screws and install one in the top and install one in the bottom. And just temporarily lock it into place now. Perfect. Now we've got this little guy. This is the latch side, and it goes on. There's only one way. There's one side that looks like this bracket is kind of an H, and one side that's just a rectangle. This H bracket goes up. Let's see if I can refocus on this guy. So when we stick it on the door, the H goes around the door latch, like so. Now, we take the small flat-headed screw, sorry if it's out of focus, and it goes in the top hole, right there. Come on, line up. You know you want to line up. Excellent. Now, I'm going to tighten these screws down and we'll move on to installing the deadbolt.